Hey guys, Ricardo here, and welcome to another Blog Tech Tips. Today, guys, I have an iPhone. It doesn't matter which one it is. This one is the iPhone 17 Pro Max, iPhone 17, 16, 15, you name it. All right, so the problem we're having today is that the screen itself of the phone looks zoomed and it's humongous. All right, so what's happening here is that the screen is extremely zoomed, and of course, you may not know what to do. So, for example, if I move like this, you'll notice the screen does move in some instances, but it gets very confusing as to what's going on. Now, this is the zoom mode that's actually on, and it's very easy to fix your device once you know what to do. All right, so as you can see, you find that it's very distracting and the screen is very big. You can move somewhat, but it's not behaving right. All right, so the first thing you want to do is, any way possible, try to move around. Try using 3 fingers. Usually that works. So for example, oops, sorry about that. So for example, let me hold this securely. So use 3 fingers to move. All right, make sure you're holding with both hands firmly. So you can move with 3 fingers. It will move much more efficient in terms of the screen. As you can see, sorry about the earlier mistake. Tends to be like that sometime. All right, so here we go. So what you want to do here, guys, is you're going to move around and you're going to search. It's going to take a little effort to move around. As I said, try 3 fingers or anything that works for you. Here we have the option. You're going to go into settings. So for example, I'm going to go into settings here. It might be tricky to get there, but try the 3 fingers zoom. Keep messing around until you get to where you want to. All right. All right, just give me a second. All right, so I'm going to use settings. All right, so what I'm going to do here is I want to go here to settings. So move around until you get to settings. All right, so move around until you get to settings. It's very difficult, guys, and it's very annoying. Use 3 fingers to move, but it does move perfectly. Go to settings. Now, once you're in settings again, carefully move with 3 fingers. And what you want to do from here is you might be out here in the main menu, most likely. You're going to go down until you find accessibility. There we go, which is this option, accessibility. You're going to move again to where you see zoom. Tap on zoom. And you're going to move 3 fingers. Sometimes 1 finger will work, but it doesn't move effectively. So 3 fingers is the actual way. So move, go to zoom. From here, you're going to turn off this zoom feature. There you go. And there you go. All right, it's very difficult and very annoying. Let me show you how to get here the normal way. So let me show you what was happening. So the screen was actually zoomed. You were actually on the home screen, but it was magnified. It can be turned on for whatever reason, out of error. So go, or you were playing with the phone, tried to figure out some stuff and got here. So go to settings. That's what you just did. Then you went down to accessibility, and then you went down to zoom, and then this is what was turned on. I'm not going to turn it back on. It is very annoying, and of course that was what was moving. All right, so you can use 3 fingers to move around on screen. Sometimes 1 finger will work, but you'll find that it's very annoying. So 3 fingers is the right finger movement to move around and select until you can actually come back here and turn it off. Hope that was useful in terms of solving that issue. And as always, guys, Ricardo from Blog Tech Tips saying bye until next time. Bye.